You know what they say about guys who go fishing? It's not always so much about catching the fish. It's about that moment, sitting, the tranquil moment, and enjoying. So today, please join me for a fishing trip at Sidewalk Hotel. Keep smiling and have a beautiful day.
Smiles. Fishing for success. Fishing for a smile. Got a shaky grin and a second-hand rig. Small town stories and a heart real big. Every life feels like a line thrown back. Every kind of word keeps me on track. I ain't asking for a silver spoon, just a little room under a bigger moon. I think this might be it.
That was one circle, one scoop in the pool, and already I got, as I say, enough for a sandwich. However, fishing for lobster in the pool is a little bit like where I'm trying to go on YouTube to get monetized. I think no matter how much I keep fishing, I won't catch a lobster in this swimming pool. And same with my monetization on YouTube. I need your help. Sorry to point the finger, I'm doing it sideways. I really need your guys' help to watch my videos to the end. The view hours are absolutely killing me. And yeah, just want to show you I work so hard every day, and it's hot here. Rainy season just started, so there's a bit more dunk in the pool, junk, trash. So I'm cleaning it up. If I get to the point where I am satisfied, I'm gonna have a quick swim and then a shower. Have a beautiful day. Never forget to smile. And if you didn't subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Thank you.
I'm trapped here among people who maybe love me too much. Look at this harbor, these boats. Every man who walks across one of those gangplanks is a freer man than I am. It's driven me almost crazy.
I am your only prayer at getting that tribe back.
She said I am driven towards an end that I do not know.
I am sick of this drivel.
Some say it looks very easy. Nothing is easy. But it doesn't have to be hard either. If you enjoy what you're doing, then it's just brilliant. My videos are not so much about traveling, but more about me being homeless, trying to do the right things, making YouTube and searching for a home. Have a beautiful day. So funny, the wind just came and tried to mess it up. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile. I know I talk too much. Should I make a bomb for the video? Should I drop a bomb for the viewers? Give me a thumb up if you want a bomb. Thank you so much for watching this video. We spend all our time making these videos for you. If you'd like to become a sponsor, please find us on Patreon, buy me a coffee or PayPal. $1 goes a long way and it feeds someone who needs it. Never forget to smile. That's just great. Now I can taste the swimming pool water. It's time for a shower. Thank you for watching.